Hello and welcome to MG Tracy here in London. Hope you're having a great day. Well, today is a quick hack, a quick cheat on how to give yourself some unusual flavoured coffees. Today we're going to be using the original Nespresso system, and we're going to start with some Starbucks pods. Obviously you can get any pods now and any coffee pretty much in the Nespresso original system, which is great. But if you're not careful, some of the flavoured different coffees are actually artificial flavoured. I'm not keen on that. So we've got some natural milk. Over here in the UK we tend to have milk delivered on the doorstep with an EV, and then you wash out and return the bottle and the whole thing gets recycled, and it's all natural as well. So today I've got some chocolate milk. We can combine that with the Starbucks to create the ultimate Starbucks mochaccino. Now, one of the great things about having a simple hack is it doesn't matter whether you're using some of the European machines. There's the latest Tassimo My Way 2, whether you've got the Nescafe Dolce Gusta system, quite like that one. Here is an original Nespresso machine. I'm going to use that one today because that's the most widespread machine in the world. Or whether you're actually using K-Cup, that's absolutely fine. Or if you've got the newer Nespresso, the Virtuo, with the barcode and the spinny bit, doesn't really matter, this works whatever machine you've got. There are two parts to making this really fun chocolate flavoured coffee. The first thing is you want yourself some chocolate milk, try and get it as natural as you can. Now, I prefer this frothed up, so you can either do it that way, do it manually and use a manual frother. You could put it in the microwave for about 90 seconds to 2 minutes, or I'm going to use one of the milk frothers. Now, some of the Nespressos come with this bit of kit built on the side. This one is separate, so we'll just put that up to the line there. Make sure you seal your lid because it's going to froth a bit, and then this one you can froth up hot or cold, but we'll turn it on to heat it. Now that will spin and heat up and make us some nice frothy milk in there. While it's doing that, then we'll make sure we've got the coffee ready. So let's get our pod in there, drop that down. I'll just touch the button to turn that on. Now what I've done is I've had to raise my machine up a bit, otherwise you can't actually get a latte cup underneath this particular early Nespresso machine. So this is now all frothing up and foaming, which is splendid. It's getting scarily near the top, to be honest. So there, that's just finished now. So that is just a nice chocolatey foam there. So I'm going to spoon that out first into the glass, and it'll turn itself off. And if you've got that as part of the Nespresso machine, it's the same thing. When it's ready, it'll heated it up and foamed it up, it will turn it off. So this is now ready to do the coffee, but I like to spoon off the foam first and put that in the bottom. It's just finishing off. Alright, so we've now got some nice chocolate foam there. And this needs to fill up between 1/3 and 1/2. Obviously with an espresso machine you don't get a huge amount of coffee, it really is a shot. It's not like the K-Cup where you can get a whole mug or a flask full of coffee. Yeah, so that's lovely, and it should be that, hopefully that sort of consistency. And because it's warm, it won't cool down the coffee too much. Now it's time just to add our Nespresso. I'm going to go for the big shot here. More, I think. And you can see the foam and the chocolate has come to the top. So how long you hold this and how much coffee you want is obviously a matter of taste. You might have to experiment with your particular chocolate milk to see where you get to. Now you do get some fascinating patterns in the side of the coffee. I always call this like the rings of Saturn, all the different layers. You've got your shot in the bottom, then the mixture, and then the foam. And then lastly, for that one, I now just pour some of the milk in, and that'll mix it all up a bit. Get it so the foam is just above the top. And then I've got some actual Cadbury's chocolate sprinkler. If you find that difficult to get certain parts of the world, I'll put the Amazon link for it in the description below. And a good helping of that there. I have tried it with a Cadbury's flaking, which is very indulgent. That's quite nice as well, as it sinks to the bottom. So there you are, you have a Starbucks chocolate flavoured coffee. You can make it on any machine, and you can make it with any chocolate milk. And as far as I know, you've got no artificial colours, preservatives or artificial flavouring there, which is something that concerns me. We don't really know what those things are doing on our body, do we? So I hope you found that useful. So I hope you found that useful. Please subscribe and come back every day for a lot more fun with me here on MG Tracy. And you'll see there's a super thanks button below. If you want to send me a coffee free, you can hit that button and send me a couple of dollars. That'd be much appreciated. And a big cheers from London.